All right, now we're underneath the truck. Kind of hard to do one-handed here. Okay, and watch out for the drips, it'll fall down on you. And just keep an eye. I can tell the flange right up in there is bubbling a little bit. That's not awful though. It's really more on the other side, on the you know, on the manifold side. Excuse me. And voila. And make sure your cup on your other exhaust, if you got dual exhaust, doesn't get blown off, because the air is kind of strong. I would say that is a pretty substantial exit exhaust leak where the pipe meets the manifold, because nothing else is showing anything. You can actually hear it, it's so bad. Let's turn this thing off. See if I can see it from in here. Yeah, looking from the fender well in there. That is substantial. Now hopefully I can just either replace the seal or tighten it up a little bit, or maybe just reposition it on the mounting seating there. Anyway, that's been troubling me. Ooh, there's more. Yeah, look at those bubbles in there. It's been troubling me for a few days now. Anyway, once again, just get you any kind of spraying device. I use a garden sprayer. Fill it with a mixture of water and either simple green or just a little bit of hand soap, dish soap, anything that will foam up when it hits an air source. Take your ShopVac or your vacuum cleaner, make sure you clean it out really well on the inside. I mean really well. I scrubbed it. And of course this is a little one. This one of those little ShopVacs, it's awesome. Seal this in with some kind of, foam or rubber, something that's rubbery, because you need it to really seal this hole up pretty well. And then you need to close up the other hole with anything that'll fit in there, basically. And then go to town with it. This is by far the easiest way to find an exhaust leak. And I've tried all kinds of different ways. Sure, there are plenty of ways that'll work. But that one is harmless, painless, quick and easy, and foolproof. So there you go. Hope that helps you guys out. Subscribe, like, share, comment, blah, blah, blah. And check out my Facebook page as well. I'll get the link on there as well. See y'all later.